Hi everyone, my name is Ethan and I'm the creator of Bolstie. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I pack for a 1 to 2 weeks trip with Bolstie as my neck pillow and my mini closet, all fitting into my personal item, my backpack, with plenty of room to spare. Let's get started. I love packing my favorite essentials: 6 t-shirts, 2 lightweight button-down long-sleeve shirts, perfect for unexpected dress codes. But in my case, it's my anti-mosquito. 2 lightweight pants for daytime and night. I like rolling the hems up into long shorts, or as is for evening. 2 quick-drying hybrid shorts. 3 square-cut undies, and 3 Speedo types. And last, 3 pair of thin socks. We will split them into 3 bundle rows using what I call the Bolstie packing method. Let's start with stack and fold.
Lay out the first long sleeves shirt. Fold the sides toward the center with the sleeve. Then grab t-shirt number 1, place on top of the shirt and fold in the sides. Next grab one pants, fold it in half, place it on top with the waistband at the t-shirt hem, then fold the legs over. Last, 1 square and 1 Speedo undies with 1 pair of socks all place on top. Start rolling at the shirt's hem and pants waist because it makes the center of the roll very strong. Roll to the end of the collar and put to one side. Grab t-shirt number 2. We will use a modified army roll technique with a 6 to 7 inches fold-up hem. Fold one side over, so the fold edge to the other end is 1 inch shorter than the first roll we just did. Now roll it together with the t-shirt number 2 to the folded edge. Turn the 6 to 7 inches folded hem over to wrap and enclose the bundle. This method prevents any items within the bundled roll from ever falling out. The roll should measure about 10.5 inches long by 15.5 inches in circumference. Time to test stuff it into Bolstie. Gently push the roll through the top or bottom section.
Now practice a few times on your own and see how much of your clothes can you fit in one roll. Cool, right? Now, take this time to digest what you just learned while I do the second bundle roll. Now, let's do the same for the third bundle roll. But this time, 2 shorts is equal to 1 pants. And this is how you play with a combination that works for you. So it takes some practice. With 3 rows done, let's stuff Bolstie. The logo is the bottom, zipper is the middle, and the remaining is the top section. I find that it's best to start at the bottom, then top, and end with the middle works best. Now, turn Bolstie over and loop the strap through the 2 D-rings like a belt buckle and do a simple knot to secure the remaining strap in place. With a little practice, your Bolstie can look sleek and elegant, no weird bumps. The length of Bolstie provides the strength, whereas the space between Bolstie provides the flex and bend required to adapt to your body and needs. I like to pack my flip-flop first and place it at the bottom of my backpack. Now, bend Bolstie into a U shape and slip it in. As promised, plenty of room for other things. Until then, practice, practice, practice. Bye.